this is what it's looking like so far. Probably might move this shelf over here, and then I still got the shoe cabinet, so we're definitely doing that in that corner. And still gotta do the rods. So originally, because my mom is helping me with the layout and everything, originally we planned to do like rods going across in between here, like one rod at the top and then one rod at the bottom. But I don't know if we're gonna still do that, because this is only like 9 inches wide. I don't know, but I'm thinking we could move this over here and then do the shoe cabinet in like a wall rods over here at top and bottom. Not really sure.
Holy hell. You are working out, girl. Is this your closet room?
Yeah, so this is the shoe cabinet. I got that together this morning. We done changed. My mom came over. We changed around the furniture, right? Or the cabinets. And also, I'm gonna tell you what the wood is in a minute. So both the dressers and the bookshelves that we got on top are now on this side, and then the corner cabinet is right there, and then this is my shoe storage cabinet right here. So this is all like the main big furniture right now that's gonna be in the closet. Other than I'm probably find something to put right there, like a bench or something, and like we still gotta do something in the middle. But the wood here, because we needed to attach it to a stud or whatever, so we had to attach the wood to the studs in the wall so that we could just attach this stuff to the wood. So both the storage bookshelf and the dressers are attached on both sides. Gotta cover that up, but that's fine. And then these two are attached to the wall, and this is attached to attached to the wood as well. We're gonna add shelving going all the way across to make it all even across. I'm gonna paint the wood white. We might do something in the top bookshelves to like cover it instead of painting it white. Might do so. I don't know yet, but definitely gonna paint like this part white, even though this is where we're gonna put the rods. So I'm gonna get rods to put. This is like 35 inches, about 35 inches, well 36 on this side, top and bottom, and then 35 on this side, top and bottom. So that's where I'm gonna put the rods, and that's where I'm gonna hang the clothes. And then I'm gonna have stuff, of course, in the drawers. This is gonna be the shoes. I'm probably gonna put like my purses and stuff on these bookshelves, and this one's probably gonna be a mixture of shoes and purses. Not really sure yet. And then like I'm gonna still use this closet as well. I'm gonna put like the stuff. I don't know. That was the other thing. Ooh. Okay. But anyways, I had to make sure we can still open the door on both sides, and also with this door, gotta make sure it can still open and close. So that's why this side we couldn't bring it all the way down, because I do want to still use this closet anyway. And this closet is gonna be like out here. I'm gonna put like my clothes. Like when I'm going out, when I'm stepping, like this gonna be like the clothes. This is gonna be like if I'm going to like the store or something. It's like cute clothes, but not really stepping out clothes. Stuff that I already be wearing, like everyday stuff, is gonna be in this closet. And then the good stuff is gonna be out here. But yes, we like, I'd say the closet is now at least like 50-60% finished. And this is where we at. This is day 2. It's been a minute, y'all. But the closet is not 100% finished, but it is very close to being done. As y'all can see, everything is pretty much moved in. Everything is moved in for the most part. The shoes, got these racks, purses. Under these things, they open up. It got my jewelry back there is fragrances, perfumes. And then on this one, this is the gold jewelry. And then lotions back there. I put this together. This is like a little desk. By the way, everything that I got from Amazon is going to be linked in my storefront under closet, DIY closet. I got this from Amazon, which is perfect because I don't really wear like makeup and stuff, but I do love a good lip combo. So this is like all my lip liners, lipsticks, lip glosses, and then I'll be wearing like lashes sometimes or mascara. So like this is my makeup drawer right here. The little makeup I wear, this is it. And the size was perfect because it fit everything. And then on this side is like all nail stuff, my press-ons, nail polish, this, that, and the third. This is a little bit, some more jewelry. It's a mirror, a little light up. Oh yeah, a little light up mirror. Got it plugged in. For the shoes right here, I want to get this little shoe stack thingies so that I can be able to fit more like sandals and slides. Cause right now the shoes is like filled to capacity. But this is where we at. Oh, this is the mirror right here. I'm just not gonna show myself because I look crazy. Still gotta add like a rug. We're gonna do chandeliers at the top. On the bench is my curtains, and then I have these lights that I also got from Amazon. That I'm gonna be putting underneath the shelves and inside of this cabinet. And probably under there. Still gotta add the trim and we're gonna do a shelf going all the way around, I think. Or I'm not 100% sure, but we still got a little bit of stuff to do in the closet. And then in here, this is like, yeah, still need to clean this closet out too. But this is mainly like my sweatsuits and stuff. And then like belts, hats, and like my purse straps, because it didn't look right when I had the straps on the purses hanging in the shelf, so I took the straps off. But I'm gonna give y'all the full, like when the closet is completely done. I'm probably not gonna show y'all that until I do my completed house tour, like the furnished house tour. But for now, y'all see the vision, y'all see how it came together pretty much. Yeah, like I said, everything will be linked in my Amazon storefront, so make sure you check that out. And I will see y'all in my next video.